Okay fans, YouTube fans, Facebook fans, good evening. We're live here. Time check 9:37.
Maybe you spell calculation, there you spell it.
Calculation.
Did you hear?
Here's my temporary gate pass. I'm showing you my project for Fibonacci. Yeah, my gate pass again. And then the pencils that I have here. Oh, I stole one from my. Oh my gosh, again. Yeah, those need to be sharpened.
How many lines you will
After
give me?
this, messenger group part 2.
1/2 or 1.5? 1/2 only, half only?
That's why I'm gonna make this too
Why?
short for summarize. Oh, low battery. I need a double time. 20% low battery. Yep. I'm videotaping the notes in Filipino. It's done. And then here's the Fibonacci. Yeah. Fibonacci nature. Oh, don't fly, don't fly, don't fly. Come to the food chain. And there's an update from teacher Razel. Yeah, that's why I make a portrait so that you will see it too well. They said there's an upcoming comet in February 1, 2019. Are you serious? Are you serious? Yeah, really sure serious. During the space exploration, she tell us in advance news about NASA. Yeah, the spacecraft. Yeah. Yeah, of course. After this, messenger part 2. Whoa. Yep. I write some Easter eggs. What Sean is saying. Yeah. Those scientists over there. Yeah, that's what Sean said. Wow, Sean. About the Filipino verse choir as well. They also talk about that in the homeroom. Just wait for my upcoming opponents, fair and square. Class exam is coming. Laika, Laika Granod in the voice. The dog named Laika. What an Easter egg they show. And here it is. Space exploration. Yep, March 2026 and 2027. That's where they will bring 4 people each to Mars. Wow. Really? One-way ticket. Teacher Rizal, huh? And here are the Easter eggs on top of there. Wow. Continent killer strikes Earth. Yep, that's what Teacher Rizal give the information to us. Tomorrow, a video clip, another set of information. Okay, it's okay, fans. This is Princess Pinosa live here. This is my last. Yep. Recall again. There's a space scientist lesson, the bombard of the asteroids. Yeah, it's true. Okay, it's okay, fans. This is Princess Pinosa live here. 9:45. Here my watch is 9:41. Have a nice day. Special purpose. After this, the messenger part 2, followed by the basketball Basketball moves of mine. Chapter 5. Have a nice day and have a nice day, special good this. Got the highlight reel. PSP, I'll save you, plus USB, HP. So that I remember your games once I go on with my career or life. Future.